Hi, my name is Harish Gurreddy and welcome to my channel. I'm the founder of EasyBiz Systems. It's a business consulting firm, and today's video is about it's an interesting topic. It's about how do you grow your business and work less. It's an interesting concept, right? So how do you really grow your business and work less? And I'm going to show you, and I'm going to prove that it is possible with one of the leading technology platforms called Kissflow Digital Workplace. So that's what we are going to talk about. I'm going to show you what it is like to grow your business while you work less and actually have more time than before, and you can achieve it with a Kissflow digital workplace. So let's get started. So as I said, today is all about how to grow your business and work less, and I'm going to show it how you can do it with Kissflow. So first, let's understand. Let's first see, who am I, right? So really, how I gain this knowledge, or how am I able to how am I qualified to actually give you this insight. So over the last 15 years I spent my time in the software industry. So various roles, started in support, finally came out of as a system design architect. Actually, it is similar to a distinguished engineer within the company. So I, over the all the 15 years I worked, I mean most of the 15 years I worked with large MNCs, like multi-billion dollar companies, basically Pitney Bowes and CA Technologies. I built and scaled multiple products and teams, so firsthand I know what it takes to actually start a product or start a team and grow it to a 10 and 15 member thing. So I'm also instrumental. I built multiple processes, DevOps processes, business agile methodologies, and etc. And multiple initiatives across different departments in the organizations. So process management, and automation is one of my key strengths. And I was also a lead architect to one of the in both the companies. I was lead architect to their process automation products. So that's where the automation expertise comes in. So one of the things that I really learned over the years is, in a large MNC, when you're working for a multi-billion dollar company, things are a lot easier in the sense you can actually, everyone knows that when you start something, a team, you have to scale it. Everyone knows that when you start a product, it is obviously you have to scale the product. So everyone knows about it because the client base is huge, and everything that we build should cater to all the clients, right? So that is taken, that is something that is given. But unfortunately, when you move out of that, big corporations and come to small businesses, what I really see is the small business owners never really think that they have to scale, never really that they don't, it doesn't come across to their mind that they should scale. The second thing is they don't know how to scale because they started as a small business, and it continues to remain as a small business. I'm talking about small business, not really startups. If you do not know the difference between a startup and a small business, watch my other video where I really explain about the differences between a startup and a small business. So when I'm talking about small business owners, it never occurs to their mind that they have to scale, they have to grow rapidly like startups do. So that's the challenge. So once the business owner thinks, or knows he has to scale, things become a lot easier, and that's where I come in and I help businesses scale. So that's my key expertise. So now today let's talk about the basics of business growth. So what is really growth, business growth mean? So I'm going to show you the common way, or the common measure for growth, and that most companies use or most business owners use. And I'm going to show you my key performance indicators, or my way of measuring growth, business growth. So let's look at that. So common KPIs are like revenue, customers, or number of clients, locations, and teams. And unfortunately, when you start growing your business, you get bombarded with tons of stuff from all sides, and you don't know how to prioritize. You don't know how to really build that, right? So that is a challenge. So with the common measures. So my measure of business growth is that time, the percentage of time that you spend on planning versus doing. So I mean, not taking the mail, not just typing emails. So it's about how much time you spend on planning versus doing is one of my measures of growth. The second thing is I measure the pipeline of ideas and opportunities that you have for business growth. It's not about the pipeline of customers, it's about the pipeline of opportunities and ideas that you have in the backlog or in your head or in your notes. Doesn't matter, because with the COVID-19, with everything, business are never the same and will never be the same, right? I also got a big hit because of this COVID-19, because after I came back from the US, what I did is I actually have an indoor kids play area where kids can come in and play indoors. I started that business, big investment, but it is shut down, right? So, and it will never be the same. Now I have to come up with a strategy on how to you open it and work on it. It's a big loss, but that's how it's going to be. It is what it is. So what I'm saying is, you should have a pipeline of opportunities in wherever it is, wherever you store Evernote, OneNote, book, whatever it is. The number of pipeline of ideas, plan B, plan C, that you have to grow your business is another measure that I see. The third thing is number of business functions within your business that can run without you is a very good measure. So if you have to be there to take the courier or take the packages, if you have to be there to sign $100 check or to pay for $100, so all these business functions, pay for the water bill or whatever it is. So all these business functions, if you have to be there, you are not growing. The number of things that you don't have to be there is a key measure, one of the key measures for your business growth. The third thing is not the number of customers, it's the net promoter score. So how many of your customers are actually promoting you to their friends, colleagues, etc. So that's another good measure, not really just building number of clients and not serving them. It is about how much are you getting promoted by your customers. That's another thing. And finally, your recurring revenue. If your business is solely on something that you get when you do a service or you sell something, you are going to be at a huge risk. You need to have your recurring revenue, right? So you really need to build that recurring revenue stream for your business. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very difficult to survive. Something like this that's happening right now, which is COVID-19. So you really need to have a strategy on building a business on that comes with a recurring revenue. Maybe you offer a service, maybe you do a monthly audit or whatever that you do. You should have a piece of a component of recurring revenue, whether it is annual, monthly, doesn't matter. So that's my measure of business growth and not really the common measures. So now let's talk about the solution that you generally get, right? A common solution to grow your business is you hire a consultant, right? You define business processes and document everything you do to achieve your outcomes. That these are the things that I did. I mean, by the way, these are all the things that I did in the past experience or in my IT career with clients within the teams. I am like an internal consultant to other teams and try to define everything that they all their business processes and then third thing is pick up a technology that's popular and that can be customized to suit our needs, right? And then start building automation, start building applications with the help of consultant. In my case, it was me helping other teams to build automation. So that's something that every business does, right? That's what we do today, right? That is how it is. That's a common way to solve the problem, right? The result, what happens is it takes months to implement all these activities, all these automations. So the result is months of implementations. Finally, what happens is you end up spending thousands of dollars. Even though it happens within your own company, it is still thousands of dollars, because when I am doing something as an architect and I'm helping other teams build their processes and stuff, I'm not really doing the stuff that I am supposed to do. So right. So that means when you're doing something, you're automatically not doing something else. So that is still a cost. So you have to look at the cost of implementing all these big projects. So that is the common way of doing things. Now I'm going to show you the uncommon way, or the new way, or the breakthrough in achieving business growth with Kissflow Digital Workplace. So with what is Kissflow Digital Workplace? So with Kissflow Digital Workplace is a SaaS software, right? Basically, you don't have to install anything and to use it. It is more like plug and play. So it is more of a plug and play type applications. It comes with over 100 plus business applications that cater different business functions. It's a single platform for all your business needs. So all your business needs are met with a single platform. Basically, you can save over $35,000 with this particular platform, and you move on and start using Kissflow Digital Workplace. You save $35,000 in savings. Actually, it's a lot more. That's my most conservative price or cost. And once you see the platform, you will know it's not 35,000. Probably your business may say 350,000, right? So you know, until you it applies to your business, you can't really tell how it looks. So why am I promoting Kissflow? So I'm a partner for Kissflow, and I'll share my story on why if you don't know why I picked Kissflow as the partner to become a partner for Kissflow, watch my other video where I explain, why I chose Kissflow to partner with as a consultant, why I promote it. It's an awesome product, that's no doubt, but the reasons on why I actually recommend Kissflow to every small business owner, I explained that in the other video, so don't forget to check out that video. I hope you're getting value. I hope you're trying to look at things in a different way. If so go ahead, subscribe to this channel, because in this channel you're going to get a lot of content about scaling your business. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel so that you can and turn on the notification so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. So the whole idea is to help you scale your business without having you to spend money on consultants, right? So that's the whole motive. So subscribe to this channel so you can really get a lot of value in the future. The second thing is with Kissflow, I'm a partner, and if you want to learn more about what Kissflow can do to your business, just link in the description, and you'll be taken to my Kissflow landing page, where there are a ton of videos that explain what this is all about. And I'm offering a 14-day free trial, so you can try this awesome platform for yourself. So go ahead and click on the link and sign up for the free trial, so you know how you can grow your business without having to spend money on expensive consultants, right? So next thing we want to do is I want to go ahead and walk you through shows a few things in Kissflow, so that it makes sense to you on how it can really help your business grow without having to spend a lot of time and money on consultants or the traditional way that we do. So let me show you Kissflow. So this is the Kissflow dashboard, and what they call as flows. So when you click on flows, you have process, you have case, you have project. We are talking more about process today. So when you click on process, right, as you see, there are so many, but we can look at the categories. So let's say you're looking at to build to streamline your HR operation. So you click HR. Then you have all these processes like new hire request, employee onboarding, interview experience, performance appraisal, job offer. Just for the HR thing alone, you have all these marketplace apps that are ready to be installed and get going. So right, so that imagine this. So imagine this, right? You don't have anything and you want to build this, and you hire a consultant to build each one of them, right? Let's say you want to automate each one of these things or build these things from scratch. how long do you think it will take for your consultant? Because I know, because I did it and I'm doing it with Zoho for two bigger clients, two larger clients. But how long do you think it will take, even just for like new hire request? The least estimate is like a couple of days, right? So that's a couple of days work to create it, test it, and put it in production. The least time. So if you just look at the HR thing alone, you are there probably like 2025, right? So that's around 2 months of work and 2 months of payment that you have to pay a consultant, right? So that's what I said when I said the value is not just 35,000. It's a lot more. It's a time where you don't really need to focus on helping the consultant or really guiding the consultant. You just do your business and you are ready to use it. That's the value that I'm talking about. So this is for HR. Now if we look at finance, you have a ton of finance process, right? So business transfer request, expense claims are the one of the biggest pains for businesses that are growing, right? So your sales team are on road and they spend money, they have to track it. So all this stuff, right, if you build it, it's going to take a long time and a lot of money to build all this stuff, but it's all in the product, right? Same thing with sales and marketing. You have sales invoice, sales orders, a lot of stuff. So that's just process. So now you want to, if you want to serve your customers, then you have IT help desk. You have, if you are developing products within in-house, if you're a development team, then you have bug tracking. You have customer case studies that you can get and publish on your website. You have sales pipelines. You have onboarding. You have onboarding process. Then you have, if you talk about projects, you have different project plans that are already in there. So like I said, so this is a no-brainer, right? So if you look at this product, if you look at Kissflow, and the only thing that that the small business owner now needs to worry is how quickly can I grow. It's not really about what software to use, how to implement it, right? It's no longer that question. It's how quickly I can get access to this and how quickly I can get it running, and then how quickly I can market more, get more clients, and grow my business, 10x my business. That's the only thing that should be on the business owner's mind at this time. So as I said, I'm a Kissflow partner. So you may ask, okay, what do I give? So what's in it for you if you sign up with a partner, right? For the free trial. So click on the link, the first link in the description. So you'll be taken to the Kissflow landing page where I explain what Kissflow is all about in detail and how you can, what is in it for you. And also I explain, I mean, Kissflow is a tool, but there is an art of scaling your business, and how as a business consultant can really help you with scaling your business or growing your business as part of the offer. So I created an awesome offer for all my clients, so who sign up for a free trial from me. So click on the link in the description and just look at what I have to offer. So I mean, while you are here, let me just take you there, right, and show you why not. So this is the landing page that I'm going to take you to. So here I explain what Kissflow is all about, right, and then what is a digital workplace. And then further down I explain and who are using Kissflow. You are not just, even though I'm selling it for small businesses, even though I'm recommending for small businesses, hey, these are the world's giants that are using this. So when you take a decision to use this product, use this platform, you are actually joining all these world's major products and logos that you can relate to. I mean, Domino's, obviously, right? Pepsi, especially. Schneider Electric is one of the largest electric corporations. Danone is like the yogurt and everything in the U.S. Comcast is a cable network, right? Casio, watches, and everything that HubSpot, digital marketing software, right? So yeah, so you're going to join these like group when you sign up for a free trial. So and this site gives you a 14-day free trial. So as I said, the question earlier was how quickly you can scale, and I guarantee that you can scale within 7 days flat, right? So I'll show you how to do that. So as I said, this is a tool, and then you actually have the art of really scaling. So what does it take to scale? And that's where I come in and my expertise come in, where I'm going to show you how to really scale your business, right? So there are three secrets, which is business process management, collaboration, and systems automation. So go ahead, look around, and understand what it is. And then I'll explain the advantage of signing up with me. So you're really going to get a ton of bonuses, ton of stuff when you sign up with me. So go ahead, go to the landing page, and then here are some of the videos that you may be interested on. Why small business owners love Kissflow, why do HR managers love, and some of the reviews from those people and some FAQs. So don't forget, go to this page, and you will get everything you need to actually start growing your business in less than 7 days with Kissflow Digital Workplace. I hope this video is useful. I hope you understand how how easy it is to grow your business and 10x your business, and really ditch all the old methods of hiring consultants, paying them ton of money. Hope this video is useful. Again, as I said, do subscribe to this channel so that I'm going to share a lot more methods on scaling your business. In this video should be this one, which is really the KPIs, right? The percentage of time you spend on doing versus planning, the pipeline of ideas and opportunities, number of business functions that can run without you, customers net promoter score, and your recurring revenue. So even if you don't sign up for digital workplace, don't do anything that I tell you today, if you just focus on these 1, 2, 3, 5 KPIs, your business will flourish. Doesn't matter which economy it is. So hopefully this video is useful. If yes, comment below and say, hey, you like the video, and I encourage you to sign up for the Kissflow free trial so that you can experience this platform. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you.